Welcome everyone. As you have seen from the title today, we are going to discuss about how you can remain at home, work safely and also make an income through it. You all know that before the pandemic situation, there was option for you to go out and search for your desired and suitable job. You get paid a certain amount for working certain hours. Your livelihood depends on this. From that income, you buy things which you need for yourself, you fulfill your dreams. You invest on things which you feels useful. So, those are the things which were possible to do before the pandemic. But, is this possible nowadays? Is it safe to go out and find a job that could pay you according to your qualification? We all know that this is not possible during this time. So, now the question comes, how you can make an income if you can't go out for work or if you don't want to go out for work. We have brought for you a simple and easy solution. We have made a system using which you could earn money while working online. There is no requirement of any big things. You just need a desktop to start working. You can continue this work even after the pandemic is over and become self-dependent and self-employed. You do not need to be working under other people just for income. Just visit the website. Link is provided in the description and also it is visible in the present screen below. If you are new to this channel, subscribe the channel now and click the bell icon to get instant notification. If you like this video, what you gonna do? You have to click on thumbs up. Share this video as much as you can so that it will reach maximum people. Also, comment below on what topic you want to see the next video on. Also, visit our new Hindi channel, link is provided in the I button above. Like it, subscribe it and watch new videos regularly.